and the gas meter reading， 记一下燃气的这个。好，我刚才拍了一下外面，然后咱们从这里 ，Let's start here.
Okay, thanks for Ray White smooth handover for my moving. It's my first day moving. I just got my stuff moving, and this recording is just to document the existing issues of the property. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's begin. Yeah. Some it's full of dust.
Yeah. And there is existing
chips. Pen came off. Yeah, unit 4.
On the wall is already a lot of scratches.
Yeah.
And the inside door.
要handle 了。
On the wall is already hooks over there. And some stands.
And what
This is
about
dining room.
yeah? Dining room.
And on the top of the wall is already scratches. And this nail is already existing. And the edge of the wall scratches.
这边
That's already nails.
nails.
And on the walls actually some of the lines breaking.
Oh,
like
cracks,
lines.
Hairline cracks. But what about backyard? Tracks.
It's a bit dusty. It's
Yeah.
already like that. And the backyard. Okay, that's the middle garden is already like that. This is the main bedroom.
Mm-hmm. 找找角度。这个是两医生 handy, right? Laundry.
This is laundry door, and it's already breaking parts on the screen.
Yeah, recording.
And I'll just talk about this gate. It's already some part falling, and the lock. This gate is actually towards the outside, the carport, but the lock is unable to be locked.
Yeah, misaligned seems. Yeah.
So left like this. It's basically like gap is open to the outside. Let's go to laundry room.
Thanks.
Okay, on the laundry room.
Dryer. Yeah, this one clean. Filter clean.
That's the underside of the sink. The door is closed. Already like that. I don't have key for this one. Same for the screen door.
Yeah, recorded.
And there's another door towards the garage. And there's some storage places over here. And And on the wall cracks.
Yeah. Got it. So it's garage.
The floor is already like that. Oh,
Yeah.
And the wall is already in this condition. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Now the garage door still not working, even though I tried to put this one down. And I use the remote controller to press. It's not responding, but the code set and limit set is blinking when I press the controller.
Yeah.
So I just received the chat message from the agent this afternoon, telling me to try to put it down. It should be working, but it's not still. I can't put this garage door
一会儿我看一下。
locked. Yeah.
OK，先记录上。
Let's go from the
Yeah. 哦，我看这个 second. Yeah. The
yeah, it's
two
already
bricks. Yeah. Like that. The garage ceiling. Yeah.
So this door is going to the kitchen hallway. The doors are cracks on the door.
Yeah. What about
The
this switch?
light of the hallway, I can't find the functional button.
Yeah.
So the light is not functional.
This light.
Yes. And to the kitchen, the edge of the door is a lot of cracks. And in the kitchen, this is covered on top of the stove.
Yeah.
It's hard to get it open. The downside is also cracks. The painting is all gone.
Yeah.
Let's see the downside covered. Some cracking noise. And stove. Right downside stove not working. I've tried the other three. It's working. Yep, this one working. This one working. And let's see this one. Yeah, this one working. But not this one. I already tried multiple times. Outside cover.
Yeah.
So the range hood is actually not very
The filter.
clean. The filter not very clean. That's already rusted.
The range hood working.
The light doesn't work. This light doesn't work. When I switch it on, it should be light over here, but not working.
The fan.
The fan is working. Some cracks on the sill. And on the side of the sink, it's basically a lot part are broken. And I'm worried just whether it's gonna be drain, like water draining. Okay. And the handle, left handle, is missing. It's actually over there, but it should be fixed. It's left like that.
Yeah, you got it. What about the dishwasher? Let's try out the light.
And just down right side of the dishwasher, there's some, I don't know, is that tape or
您平时用洗碗机吗？有的话，而且测试一下，如果需要再修。
Let's test the dishwasher. So outside looks okay, but not very well. Let's see. What is the power? And let's just try it. Oh, and then switch the sides. Okay.
好，我们测试一轮以后，看它排水畅不畅，就是大概洗一下。有的时候，
So I'll keep it down.
对，
Okay.
是一个一口的这个，对。这边没问题吧？
The handle of this one is breaking, so it needs to be fixed. So it's basically breaking. And this handle is missing.
You can't take.
The downside cover. So edges, the paint, coated paint fell, not falling. Yeah, edge of the coated paint missing, falling already. And
这其实问题不大，这些就是即使它是好的，这个也算合理磨损。这边墙，好的墙，我大概看一下。这个墙没有进啊，记了。这边记了是吧？啊，没有。
this is my bedroom. This bottom is a bit loosened. On the wall there's already nail and some stains on the wall already. On top of the screen door. I think recently there was nails, there's holes. And what is that called? This one doesn't work. It's basically broken.
Oh, yeah, the skirting.
It's all falling.
And the tracks. Yeah.
And nails on that wall. And some stains and edge.
Unsuite.
This is unsuite.
The
water flow is quite low, slow.
Yeah, water flow. 有些时候呢，这里面积满了泥沙，这使劲拿这个扳手能拧下来。您家有工具吗？一会儿测试一下。
I tried that yesterday. Ready for the screaming sound. Oh, today's fine.
Today's fine.
Oh, okay. It's coming.
热水用。哦，你只是有噪音。Yeah.
Cold water only.
Yeah, noise.
Yeah, the screaming like noise. Oh. think I should try the laundry room. This laundry room might be the size.
这是我来，交给你。您那儿有工具箱吗？一会儿咱们最后的试一下这个。
Building is just
Yeah.
there's no carpet at all, and the edge of that cup is breaking, falling, breaking. There's some sands on the floor. I think previously was there. I'll just quickly go check in the laundry room.
Yeah.
For water. The water tank is actually missing the sign for the hot water.
Yeah.
Didn't mention that. Okay. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the issue. Wow.
That's good. Doesn't sound
That's too
right.
loud.
Yeah.
Yes,
Falling. Yeah. It's the old cover. So this one. 那个是后面。
那刚才洗衣房的噪音记了下来。
Upstairs.
Yeah. Let's go.
This wall is already
Yeah, that.
breaking.
这个会追究责任。如果刚开始没有。这个灯能开吗
It doesn't work. The whole way.
Yeah.
Light doesn't work. Okay, first bedroom on the left.
这像是新刷的漆。
I think, yeah.
There's a hook. Marks. Yeah.
The toilets cracking. This house in here.
Yeah.